Along the southeastern coast of Sicily lies one of the island's most intimate and breathtaking beaches, the Hidden Bay of Spiaggia di Calamosche. From above, the coastline opens into a small, perfectly shaped cove, embraced by rocky headlands that protect it from wind and waves. Here the sea is calm and crystal clear, its colors shifting from transparent turquoise to deeper shades of blue. The water moves gently, creating a sense of peace that defines the entire bay. The beach itself is a mix of soft sand and smooth stones, framed by Mediterranean vegetation that grows naturally along the edges of the landscape. From the sky, the harmony is striking, a natural amphitheater where land and sea meet in perfect balance. There are no large constructions here, no distractions, only nature, silence, and light. Calamosche, where the sea becomes still and Sicily reveals its most peaceful side.